Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you how to make burrito.
It's one of my favorite burritos, so we wanted to go ahead and show you all how we make it.
For this recipe, we will begin by chopping mushrooms. Sauté the mushrooms with avocado oil. Now, chop 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves. Sauté the onion with avocado oil. Chop 1 jalapeno. To our mushrooms, we will add Italian spices, pepper, and salt. Now mix it. Add some ground coriander and cumin to the onions. Now add the jalapenos and 1 tablespoon of paprika and mix it. Add a little bit of water. Drain and rinse 1 can of black beans and add them in. Add 3 tablespoons of marinara sauce. One cup of cooked brown rice and mix everything together. Now we are chopping and adding parsley and cilantro. Squeeze half of a lemon into the mix. Slice 1 avocado. Chop some tomatoes and green onions. Now we will begin by putting the burrito together. Start by layering the ingredients. You can add mushrooms if you would like. Dress it with delicious cashew sauce. We will have a link in the description to where you can find this recipe on our channel. Now roll it up and place it in a pan, making sure you cover both sides. Now you can enjoy your burrito. You will love it with a salad on the side. If you enjoyed the video and want to see many more, feel free to subscribe as we will be making many more healthy recipes to come. We'll see you in the next one.